Hello, it's me, Punchy! Alright, so today magre-review tayo nito! Tudun! Ang bigat! Ito yung Fujidenzo 20-liter capacity microwave oven MM22BL Black. 2,640 pesos. So, ganyan siya. Microwave oven. Sabi nila estimated cost per use 0.71 pesos lang raw. Ayan, oh. 0.71 lang raw. Matipid raw siya. So, color black siya. At ito ay regalo sa akin ng kapatid kong si Elaine at ng pinsan kong si Michelle. Thank you so much, Michelle and Elaine. I love you so much. So yes, buksan na natin to and check natin kung maganda ba siya. Let's go! Alright, so ito na yung box. Again, this is 2,640 pesos. From the Fujidenzo Mall. Ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. I will put the link on the description box down below. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. And, dumating siya, buhat-buhat siya ng delivery rider. And, meron akong gut feel, meron akong instinct kasi mukhang binuksan na nila. Look mo, bakit may ganito? Dumating siyang ganyan. Alam mo yung parang binuksan tapos tinip na lang ulit? Parang very, very sketchy. Ang sketchy naman ito. Ay, look mo oh. Ba't ganun? So, kuha ako ng gunting. Very, very sketchy siya ko. Kaya, kailangan ko nang buksan ngayon. Nag-clear ako ng space ng iPad para ma-unbox ko ngayon. Kasi, it's very sketchy to begin with. So, yung pagka-deliver niya is not good. Very, very sketchy. I must say. Hoping na it's in a good condition. Kasi, para magamit na natin siya. Okay. Okay. So, let's remove the bubble wrap. Ay, nandito yung resibo. Exatec. 2,718 yung bili ng kapatid ko dito. Ito yata yung bill, yung mismo receipt. Let's see. Okay. So far, it looks sealed. Pero bakit ganun? Alam, ay! There's a, Hindi siya properly, cared for. Ganun. It's not cared for. Yung mga pusa ko nanonood sa akin. Ayan. So, ito yung box. Ay, yung foam is ba, sira yung foam. Alam mo, nabagsak siya, sira yung foam. Red flag. Ayan sira yung foam. OMG. It's not giving. Okay. Ilalapag ko. Hindi ko kayang wait lang. Ay, naka-open na agad yung lid, nakaganon siya. Goodbye. I'm just holding it by the plastic. Let's see. So, ganito siya. 1, 2, dalawang tangkal, 1.5. And, hindi ko makita. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. So, ganyan tsura niya. Can I zoom in ba? Ayun, we can zoom in naman pala. So as you can see, Fuji Denso 1 microwave oven, top quality our priority. Quick defrost saves time, smart wave system heats evenly, 35-minute timer, cook different types of food. Fuji Denso, made of glass, may knobs, low, medium low defrost, medium high, and high. The knob is fine. It's not stainless steel, it's plastic. Pero tactile siya. Pag ginanon mo, mayroon siyang mag-stay put siya. And then here, timer defrost, kilograms, 0 to 35. Smart wave system. Ayun yung front. Glass yung front. This one is metal. Glossy. Hindi siya matte black. What else? Warning, do not remove this cover. Sabi dito, sa taas. Sa likod, Fuji Denso microwave oven. Model M22BL, 23 volt, 60 Hz, 1050 watts, 700 watts, 2450 mHz, made in China. Microwave high voltage inside. Be sure not to remove the enclosure. This appliance is equipped with grounded plug for your protection against possible shock hazards and should be connected to a properly grounded outlet. This device is to be serviced only by properly qualified service personnel. Disconnect power plug before servicing. Removal of the enclosure with product energized could expose servicemen to hazardous high voltage potential. Oh. So here, may tape. And I'm gonna show you the plug. The plug is 3-prong. Hindi siya mahaba. The plug, ano, 3-prong lang siya. The plug is like this. Oh. Hindi siya masyado mahaba. Hindi ko alam. Basta ganyan. Ganun. What else? Let's flip it again. Okay, so far, I don't see any cracks, any dents here. None so far. Sa back, wala rin. And yeah, we are hoping for the best. So what I'm gonna do, lilipat natin siya doon, and then we're gonna heat tinolang manok. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I am gonna transfer ito, resibo, don't forget. So we're just gonna move it from here, going there. Okay. Let's see. Dahan-dahan. Ang sikip! Ang sikip na bahay! Okay. So, actually, the saksakan is in here. Oh, yung saksakan ko is hindi siya 3-prong. So, kailangan ko ng adapter. Luckily, I have lots of adapter. You will need this type of adapter. This. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is, I am gonna do this, and then gonna plug it here. Does it look tacky? Yes. Are we gonna complain a little bit? Mali. Dapat dito yung saksakan talaga. Okay, as you can see, ito na yung tinolang manok. Ito yung kanin. Uunahin natin initin yung kanin. So, ayun yung kanin. Okay? Ang sikip ng bahay. Tiny house for more. Ito yung kanin. I'm so sorry. May laman pa pala. So, may plastic here. Plastic. May glass na umiikot. Ito yung pang-ikot-ikot. So far, so good. It's intact. And merong warranty certificate. So ito yung ikot-ikot. The size is maliit ha. Confuse ako, wait lang. Oh my gosh. Pakakatiganan. Ayun. Ubay. Ayan, okay na siya. Ay, sakit. Ang dami struggle. So, I turn it on there. Kanin muna. Maliit lang yung space. And 3 minutes. Ilang minutes kapag kanin. Umikot na siya. Kita nyo ba? Ay, in fairness, nakikita nyo. It's cute, ha? It's talking to me right now. Ayoko lang ng pangalan ng Fujidenzo, but alam nyo, this knob is plastic. This is plastic, this is plastic, this is plastic. Medyo flimsy ito. Flimsy siya. Itong door. Look mo, oh. Nagmo-move. Nakakaloka. Ayan. Ay, so 3 minutes kami hindi. Tapos pakita ko na lang sa'yo after mainit na yung kanin. Ito yung kanin guys, so malambot. Ayan o. Malambot siya, parang bagong lutong kanin. So pakita ko sa inyo later pag okay na yung tinola. Okay, so luto na yung tinola. Ganyan muna. Tinola is cooked. I'm gonna turn this off. Yung handle, the handle is plastic. Not caving. Okay, the tinola is fucking hot. Fucking hot. Steaming hot. Wait lang, it's so fucking hot. Wait lang. Ito yung tinola guys, so. Fucking hot. Steaming hot. So, isasalin ko na siya, kaya na tayo. Okay, sorry, di ko pa na napakita sa inyo yung loob. So, labas na ba? Ano ba itong hayop na handle na ito? Yung cheap naman. Ang dilim! Once kayo to, tinadidiliman sila. Ayan. So, ang laman is like this. Ayan, oh. Merong bilog na glass. Tapos merong roller na ganyan. Ang hirap-hirap ay linya nito. Yung pusa ko Hay. Yung pusa ko is maharang sa ilaw. Ayan o, si Toti. Ayan. O, let's say ito. Struggle naman. Kaloka. Ayan. O, so ayan. So, ito yung loob niya. This is glass. The laman, metal laman siya na may coating na color gray. Let's see. Ayan o. Okay, tsura may mga grills. May mga pag-grills. Gano'n. And this shit, ito yung glass. So kasi may gulong, 3 gulong. See? But it's very hard to to align. The fuck is that? Ayan, nag-stay na siya. Ayan! Kakaloka! Ang hirap yung linya. Yun lang po. Basta natin. Ay, Pakita ko kasi open, close. Nalaloka ako dito. Close. Open. Close. It's not opening! Oh, kailangan mo siya dito. Nakakaloka siya. So, di niya kaya buksan mag-isa. Kailangan isang thumb dyan, and then you do this. Ano yon? Kaloka. Ayun, so tapos na natin yung box. I-review itong Fuji Denso microwave oven. So, few things I would like to discuss is okay. Oh, nangyari? Ayan. So, this is the Fuji Denso microwave oven. Number one, it's cheap. Medyo mura lang siya compare sa iba. It's cheap. Number two, it's compact. So, kung malit ang space ng bahay or paglalagyan mo, you can put it. And number three, gumagana siya. It's working. And number four, nakakatipid raw siya sa kuryente. Kasi sabi, as per their advertisement, 0.71 centavos lang raw siya per use. So, diba? Which is very good. And the things I don't like with this one, number one, is fucking cheap. Alam mong hindi siya social. Alam mo yun, this one plastic siya. This one is plastic. Flimsy siya. Oh, gumagalaw. Kita mo? Gumagalaw. Gumagalaw. Palo. And then this knob, plastic. Wala ba silang tayo mag stainless steel, manang very light? Kaloka. It's fucking cheap. The build quality is cheap. And then, this one, itong plate, yun, natatanggal yung plate. Hindi siya naka-fix. Alam mo yung naman. And then number two, maliit siya. Is compact nga, pero maliit lang siya. Like, hindi ka maraming maluluto here. Like, maliit siya. Like, plato lang and that's it. Okay. Yun. And what else? Ano pa bang hindi ko gusto sa kanya? Sticker. Ayoko ng ganyang sticker. Di ba? Corny. Honestly, ayoko ng mga ganyang sticker. Which is number one. What the fuck is... I don't give a fuck. Lahat kayo number one. American Home Fuji. Sabi niyo, American number one kayo. Pero, I don't care. Remove the sticker. Remove the brand. Alam mo yung, just be minimalistic. Ganun na lang, sis. So, yun lang. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna enjoy the motherfucking tinola. Yun lang. So, I'm gonna put the link sa description box down below if you're looking for a cheap-ass microwave oven. Because this microwave oven, Fuji Denso, it's working. It gets the job done, if you know what I mean. So, yun lang. So, thank you so much for watching my vlog, guys. And kain na tayo. Let's try the tinola. Pakita ko muna sa inyo kung masarap yung tinolang ininit sa microwave oven. This is the tinola. Let's get some sabaw. Let's see. Yeah.